Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your iPhone is updated, signed into Apple ID, and both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Once done, power the Apple Watch and place it near the iPhone. You'll see the pairing animation. Open the Watch app on the iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Follow the on-screen camera guide to center the watch face in the viewfinder, because that securely links the devices and avoids manual input errors. You'll now decide whether to set up as new or restore from a backup. Pick the backup that matches your needs. Make sure Watch OS is compatible. The Watch app will prompt updates if needed. Sign into your Apple ID to handle activation lock and enable location services plus Find My for security. Select which apps to install now versus later and create a watch passcode. This protects Apple Pay and health data, so take the moment to enable the options you want. Let the devices finish syncing. This can take several minutes depending on your apps and data. Once the process completes, you should test calls, messages, heart rate, and notifications to confirm normal operation and set up Apple Pay plus emergency SOS if required. If something goes wrong, first restart both the iPhone and the watch, then retry pairing. If that fails, unpair or erase the watch from the Watch app and run.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.